But we have not released before we received from our headquarters an order from the High Court restraining INEC from releasing the register. So up to now, we have not officially handed over the River State register, voters register to RSIEC. We have not.
Okay, sir, but during our interview with the RSIEC spokesman on September 30th, he said, and I quote him, he said, there have been correspondences between RSIEC and INEC since last year, and that the voter register was given to them last year, I think around October last year, thereabouts, end of October, November.
No, we have not. The ICT department has the voter register, and the voter register is in soft copy. And in two ways, either we give it to them in that soft copy, or we photocopy them, put black and white and color. Then we stamp, certified true copy. But we have not given them. There is no register in our office that will show that we have handed over such a document to them. But they are written.
Are you in possession of the court or the two court judgments?
I have that of the Federal High Court from Abuja, which was sent to me by my headquarters, directing me to comply with the court order.
Okay, sir.
But there is another court order from, I think, the State High Court.
I have not. I have not seen. I have not seen that.
So will it be out of place for you to tell us why it's not being released to them?
Well, it's administrative. Not that we withheld it, but when they request, they have to come for the processes. So they have not come to conclude the processes before this court order is coming. So we are not released.
Okay, sir.
What are those
if it is
processes?
possible,
Question is released.
sorry. So it does. Can it be possible for them to work the 2023 elections, general elections, voters register? Because that's what they need.
You know, normally, like just recently concluded elections in the INEC handed over to all the political parties registers of voters for 2023 general election. That is the last we have reviewed. But in Edo, they gave an opening for them to be able to, those who have not registered, to be able to register. So they handed over to them. So that is the tradition. So maybe they are using the one that is out there, but officially we have not handed over voter register
So is it
for this
possible?
election.
Is it possible for them to go ahead?
That is not duty. It's not me. It's before the court to me.
Just one question: is it illegal for them to use the 2023 general?
How will I know? I'm not the court to say it.
Thank you, sir.